Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Tuts. If you are satisfied with my videos, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you know when updates are available. In this lesson, I will be showing you how to use the commands in the terminal. Right now I'm in my home folder, Home Nikki. The first thing I like to do is to change directories to the desktop. I put cd, change directory, desktop. Now if I type ls, which stands for lists, I can see all the contents in my desktop. The next thing I would like to do is to create a new file in the desktop. To do that, I type touch test file, I would like to call it. It's going to take a while for it to come up. I would also like to create a new folder called test folder. I would also like to create a new file into the test folder. So to do that, I type cd test folder. Right now it's empty. So I put touch, let's call it file2. You can name it anything you like. Okay, now it's in the folder. Now what I would like to do is move this test file into the test folder. So to do that, I direct to the same location the test file is in, which is the previous directory. That's what this // mean. And then I put move desktop test file. The tilde stands for home directory, desktop test file. Move this to test folder. Now let's move into the test folder. Oops. There it is. Okay. What I can also do is copy files. I would like to copy test file into the desktop. So what I'm going to do is type cp copy the test file to So here I'm saying copy the test file to the previous directory and call it test file. There it is. I could also copy a folder. So what I'm going to do is copy this test folder to documents. So I go on my previous directory, cp-r, that's how you copy a folder. Test folder to So if I go into my documents, test folder, there we go. To open a new tab in the terminal, you type Command T. Now what I would also like to do is to delete a file. I want to delete file 2. So to do that, all I have to do is put rm, which stands for remove, file 2, and it's gone. Now let's say you have a whole bunch of files in your folder and you want to confirm that if a file is removed, you put rm-i file2. It'll say no such file or directory. That should tell you it's also not there. Now let's go into the previous folder. You could also delete a folder as well. So in a document, I would like to delete test folder. So you put you put rm-r test folder, and it's not there. And to confirm that, rm-ir test folder, no such file or directory. Now, once you remove any files or folders from the terminal, it is completely deleted. It's not being moved to the trash bin. Another thing I'd like to show you is PWD, which stands for Print Working Directory. It just gives you your current location. Users, Nikki, desktop. You can also open a file from your terminal. Let's go into Code and Totes. Let's open Filter. So that's open now. You could also use a command like history, which shows you all the previous commands that was being used. You can also use something like cat. It shows you the contents in an actual file. Cat stands for concatenate. Let's put pwd. Okay, so I can put cat. That's what cat does. It shows the contents of the file. Now this is also fun. Say. This say command gets the computer to talk. So I'm gonna say
talk to me.
That's cool. Let's do another one.
Anything you want.
Okay. It's not a necessary command, but you could use it for pronunciation. You use the say command. You could also change the skin of your terminal if you want. You have basic. You go to shell, new tab. And these are the different styles of the terminal. There's also manual. You put man, which is the man command. And next to the man command, you put any command you would need help with. Let's say you need help with understanding ls, list directory contents, as I've explained earlier. And it also gives you the different types of command you can use with ls. And to exit the manual, you simply press Q. And to clear everything above, you type clear the terminal, or you can press Command K. Another thing I would like to show you are different ways of displaying the user's permissions. I'm going to start off typing ls. So these are the list of files I have in my demonstrations folder so far. If I type something like ls-l, I see here the file permissions for each file. If I put something like ls LA, you see the hidden files, and they are directories, which is what the D stands for. I will explain more about file permissions in my next video.